Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from your video for free without blur. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can go to your browser and then you can search for watermark remover, and then there will be a lot of websites you can use to remove your watermark, but I recommend you to choose this one. Online video cutter or 123 apps, and here we need to open a file to upload our video to this website, and I'm going to choose this video. I'm going to click on open, and if we want to remove the watermark, we just need to select the watermark area like this guys, and you can keep adjusting to make it natural and click on apply. Okay, and you can choose the resolution to export your video. Click on the save, but wait, I'm going to show you how the result is. Okay, if you want to change the resolution and then export it, you can click on the save menu and then select the resolution and click on export. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove watermark from our video for free. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!